Hi once again YouTubers, welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing and review, and this time it's from the Justice League series from Hot Wheels, and this is the Justice League Batmobile. So you can see here that the one I got is the short card, and this is the first out of 5 Batmobiles. So let's open this one right now. So here's the Batmobile. Looks pretty cool. So I've noticed that this one looks quite similar to the Hot Wheels Robot Series car. Now I forgot what the name of that was since I don't have it, but this looks quite similar. So this one has a cannon here, just like a tank, but this one is not movable. So it's made of soft plastic. The base is plastic, and it's the same color with the upper part of the car. So this one, the rear tire is bigger than the front tire, and it has a really low stance. So I really like this car. It has some cool details too. So at the front it has 2 machine guns, which is part of the metal cast and is not movable. So only the cannon is plastic here. Now the rear part of the car looks pretty cool. Also, I like the color of the rims on this one. So the gray color really accents the dark navy blue paint job of this car. Again, have another look at the car. So that's the unboxing and review of the Justice League Batmobile, or Batmobile, sorry. Overall, this is a cool car, and I would recommend collectors to have this one. So please like and subscribe to my channel, Inigo's Toy channel, for more videos soon. Keep on collecting, and God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye.